if we think teams are responsible for connection, if we think that's where the responsibility lies and that's where the focus lies, how do they do it? As an individual team member, how do you do it? Well, the biggest tool you have is simple: communication. And I think communication is a responsibility of everyone in the organization. But let's be honest, leaders love to communicate. Managers love to talk about what's going on. The people we feel like getting communication from tends to feel a little more like pulling teeth is from team members. And that's ultimately why I think team members start to feel disconnected, because they don't communicate enough. And so what do I mean by that? Well, a lot of times you'll hear a team member say, well, I just don't feel like people understand the work that I do and what I put into my role. Well, you may be right, but are you telling people? Are you talking about it? Are you sharing it? Now, managers and leaders create the opportunities for you to do that. For us, we have what we call automatic check-ins, and these questions that we ask, what are you going to work on this week? Or what did you accomplish today? That's an opportunity for you to tell the story of your work. It's an opportunity for you to brag about what you did. It's also an opportunity to brag about what someone else did. And that goes a long way to creating collaboration and connection. So both of these kind of work together. What happens is you make a connection by saying, I got these things done, but I was really stuck on X project and I'm really having a hard time wrapping my mind around that. And then all of a sudden you find you've made a connection with someone else in the organization who says, I understand that problem and I can help you solve it. Let's talk about it. And you create this connection with somebody. And that connection actually works to foster collaboration. And that collaboration works to foster and create better clarity, and everybody wins. Communication is a strong tool and key element that team members can use to create connections. The best way I can say it is put yourself out there. Tell the story of your work. Tell the story of other people's work, and see how connection will increase. Therefore, collaboration will increase, and clarity will ultimately increase.